Next thing we need to do is to open GRBL controller. I'm using 0.83. We will open the isolate file, KiCad, sensor actuator, Gerber, G code. Okay, now we will home the uh, okay, we have homed it. Now I'll use the jog to come to the origin where I want it to be. This looks okay. Okay, I will note down this. It is 125 minus 125 and minus 105 minus 125 minus 105. Okay, so EZ I'll leave it to 60 because I don't want it crashing on the now we need to connect the probe to the spindle, and we will set the axis this location to be x0 y0 z0 and do a probe. I'll keep my hands on the emergency stop just in case it does not stop. Okay, dead. Now we have set x0 y0 z0. This is our origin. Every time we need to do something, we'll come back to this origin. Now we'll create a heat map. Auto 10 on X and 12 on Y is okay. I'll just say start probe. our heat map is complete. Now, if you are removing the uh, probe end, I generally try to connect it on the bed plate. I have another pin connected here, so in case I forget to attach it to the spindle won't come crashing down on the board. We need to save this heat map. To do that, yes, and I just say heat dot map. Now we have the heat map created.